Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company with another unboxing video. And today we got the Fitbit Inspire HR, which seems to be the more advanced version of the Fitbit Inspire. So, like the Fitbit Inspire, it has the swim proof, the 24/7 heart rate, sleep tracking, smartphone notifications, and impressively up to 5 days of battery life. Looks like it includes 2 different sized bands. And what was the difference? Oh yeah, this one has 15 plus exercise modes. There was another feature it had. Oh, pace and distance with phone GPS. I think it's about $40 more than the Fitbit Inspire. All right, let's get started. All right, as you can see, the device itself is pretty small. Let's say the screen's probably like 1.5 inches maybe. And in the box, we've got some instructions. Of course, the charger, which looks to be a standard USB to haptic or something. Looks like we have the warranty and instructions. And that seems to be the end of our video. Until next time, thank you.